A warm welcome to my channel Vatsalyam. I hope you all had a great week. Let us see how the coming week is going to be for all of you. Before I begin, a big thank you to all those who subscribed the channel, left a comment and liked the video. If you want to support me on Instagram, the link is in the description box. Now we'll see about the options. You can see 3 smileys here. Group A, blue smiley, Group B, orange smiley, and Group C, purple smiley. So take your time, connect to it and check the timestamp. I shall see you in your reading in the given timestamp. Thank you. Welcome to your reading Group A. So those who have chosen the blue smiley, let's see how the week is going to be. It's going to be a powerful week, action oriented, new beginnings, and hope, new journeys beginning for some. So it's going to be a great week as I can see through the cards. So let's see in detail. So the first card says, nothing is yet set in stone. So here, whenever this card comes, it brings changes. It brings positivity to the situation you are in. It is a great opportunity to bring change in your situations, be it in your relationships, at workplace, or your health. So you can use this week to bring changes. You can manifest, you can create your dreams into reality. If you are in any unhappy, unpleasant situation right now, it means that you can change the course of the outcome. So it's a great week to manifest, to work towards achieving what you actually desire. So tap into your own energy, tap into your own abilities, into your own magic power, into your own creativity, and influence the outcome of whatever situation you are in. Also, I can see in this week that something expected or unexpected, some surprise is coming towards you. If you are waiting for a result, it is going to come this week. If you're waiting for a decision, it's going to come for you. If you are waiting for an answer from someone, it is going to come this week. Any message might come to you during this week. Travel is also indicated in this week for you. This week is to enjoy your abundance, your materialistic wealth that you have accumulated, you are blessed with. So enjoy that. I can see some of you will go shopping, maybe buying new clothes for yourself. Here the week is also indicating that it is a good week for all those who deal directly in finances, be in the bank, financial investors, or chartered accountants, or anything where finances are directly involved. It's a good week for them. You can be more conscious about your health this week, be more grounded, sit in the sun, walk on the grass, connect with nature, consume more of healthy food and fruits this week. You can feed the birds, dogs, animals around you to add good deeds to your karmas also. And also a blessed week, protected by angels, and I can see completion happening for some. Now this completion could be completing your pregnancy and having a new baby in your life. That pregnancy cycle gets completed and a new journey begins for some. Completion with a job contract can be there, or completion of your karmic cycle could be there. Also completion of an old pattern or habit that you've been following. So this week is also helping you to develop new habits for yourself, new patterns, make new choices in your life. I can see that if there is some issues that you're facing right now, you are in a troublesome situation or a problem, this week is going to help you to come out of them. You will feel a freedom from all the stress that was ongoing in your life. You will find success coming for you in this week. A birth of a child can take place for some of you. The week demands your focus, your consistency, your hard work, your patience in your work, in your relationships. Some of you will be blessed with new ideas. Some of you might find new solutions to your problems. Healing is happening in this week health-wise. It is a week to connect with your inner child. Focus more on your passions, your hobbies. spend time playing with your friends outside. Enjoy this week. It's a good week to make your goals, bring changes in your plans so that you can move towards success, happiness, prosperity. For some, this week is bringing a new path altogether, a new journey, an unexplored, undiscovered journey. Like I said, there can be a surprise coming for you, a message coming for you. So this could be a beginning of a first job for some of you here. So taking that leap of faith, entering into a world, a new journey which you have never experienced. So this is coming towards you this week. You will be very spontaneous in this week. For some, this week is going to bring new love. The person would be full of fun, loving, carefree, but be little careful not to flow with his, charisma. Be little mindful of what steps you take. The week is also here to take actions for your plans. You might be having some plans in your mind, might have been working on it for quite some time now. This is the week where you are advised to take actions now. Execute your planning into reality now. If you are being demotivated by people, don't listen to them. Listen to what your heart is telling you and work towards your actions now. New projects will be coming in for some. It's a week where you will be working on something new as well. Maybe some of you are changing a career. Maybe the completion is happening that you are quitting your job and starting your own business, or somebody is completely changing their career line here. So this week is also offering this. I'm sorry if some noise is coming to you. Some work is going on. Let's see what message angels have to give you this week. While shuffling the cards, I was asking for 1 or 2 cards, but continuously 3-4 cards were falling. So here, career transition, as I told you, is happening in someone's life, and it says that your life purpose is triggering a blessed career change. So if you're planning to begin something of your own, it's a blessing. It's an indication that yes, it is good for you. It is going to be great for you. Patience. Your dreams are blooming more rapidly than you realize. Still, they need nurturing and patience. As I said, the week needs more focus, determination, your patience, your consistent hard work. So does the card tells you. I feel that here somebody has lost a loved one, maybe recently, and you are just trying to take care of yourself, calm yourself, compose yourself, trying to deal with the situation. So your angels are telling you sensitivity, that you are extra sensitive at this time. Go through this process, acknowledge your feelings, just go through this process. And there is a message from the heaven for you, that your loved one here is in the heaven, is doing fine. Let go of worries and feel their blessings. So here your loved one is sending you blessings. They are fine. They are there where they are at utmost peace now. So you let go of your worries. Let's see what your spirit has to tell you. A father's love. So maybe somebody has lost their father or a fatherly figure, and here they are sending you this message that a father, wherever he is, with you, or if he's not with you now, he's always going to send you that love, that strength that will help you to move ahead in life. So take his blessings, take this courage, take this strength from him, from his love that he's always given you, and move ahead in life. So it's a beautiful week for all of you. Hope you resonate with the reading and you have a great week ahead. Thank you. Welcome to your reading, Group B. So let us see what is the week bringing for you. So the week is going to be full of positivity, connecting to your intuition, creating a balance, and new beginnings for some. Celebrations also I can see in this week. So let us see with the first card, the energy is gaining momentum. So here the card is telling you that your dreams have started taking a shape now. Even if you can't see your dreams in reality right now, but the energy attached to that dream has taken a momentum, is gaining that speed now. The card also suggests you that whatever inner work you are doing, whatever fears you feel are attached to your dreams, focus on them, work on it, so that you are able to come out of it, find a solution to it. Meditation will help you. It will help you to calm you down. Any ego in your mindset, that will also come down with your meditation. Keep your heart open. Release all the negativity, release all that ego, release all that is blocking your way now. This week also, trust the guidance coming from your heart, not from your mind. Mind will play its own games, but you need to trust your intuition this week, because you are going on the right direction, and that's what your intuition will also help you to keep following. The second card says a time to give rather than take. So here also the card is suggesting you to review your situation, where you are and where you want to go from here. So restart, plan more wisely, be more organized, review all the details in your planning, so that any obstacle, any challenge that comes during this goal of yours, you are able to have a solution ready beforehand itself. And you can trust and rely on a person that you are doubting currently. It could be a partner, it could be in a love relation, or anywhere. You can trust that person and rely on that person. Health-wise also, the week is going to be good for you. You will find yourself having a gradual recovery. The week suggests you to eat well, more hygienic food, more balanced diet, and recommit to your morning and evening rituals, evening routines that you have been following for your health. Let's see the third card. Luck is on your side. So here the week is telling you, laugh more, enjoy more, count your blessing. If you want to start a new course or a teaching profession, this week is suggesting you that it's a good time to do so. There can be travel plans happening, fun happening, explorations happening this week. With your positivity, optimism approach, you can attract good things in this week. So have that positive approach in yourself. Don't have a narrow mindset. Keep a broad mindset, a positive mindset. Also, the week is asking you to maintain a balance in your work, in your emotions, in your give and take energies. Eat healthy, a balanced diet, stay more hydrated this week. The week is good for people who are dealing in organic food or any kind of food industry they are in. The week is asking you to be very mindful, plan, organize before you take a step. Before you, just don't be impatient. Have that patience in you, organize yourself, and then move towards your goals. A news or a proposal is coming for someone here in this week. There can be a marriage proposal or a marriage ceremony, engagement ceremony happening for some. There could be family reunions, celebrations with friends. Someone can be shifting to a new house or buying a new house. So something this sort can be seen. Stability is definitely coming in this week for you. Be ready to welcome any change in this week. This change could be in your actions, in the way you are working currently. Maybe you need to bring a change in it. Maybe you need to face your obstacles and challenge. Maybe you need to plan your life in such a way where you are able to bring a balance in your personal life, in your work life, in your passion, time for your own self. So maybe you need to create a balance in all this by reviewing your life now. The week might tempt you to look back upon your past. Might make you feel a little sad, but you have to come out of this energy with your strength. Don't forget that luck is on your side. The week is sending you positivity. It's sending you direction. So move ahead with the learnings from the past, not with the episodes. just the learning that you have achieved from that event that has happened in your life, and move ahead. I can see some neck or throat issue happening, or a leg problem can be there for some. The universe is telling you here that it is a week to reap your rewards for all your hard work, your focus, your strength, your faith. But if someone here is unable to receive that acknowledgement, the universe is telling you that no energy of yours has gone wasted. All that you have invested, your hard work into, your strength, your faith, will be rewarded when it is the right time. When the divine feels it's the right time for you to receive that reward, it will come into your life. For some, I can see absolutely a new beginning. It could be just beginning a first job. For some, it could be entering into a brand new career. Some might want to switch from office job to their own business. So a fresh start which is undiscovered, unexplored here. Let's see what angels are telling us, what message they are sending you. So we have Archangel Michael here and Archangel Ariel. So Archangel Michael is telling you to have crystal clear intentions. Be clear about what you desire and focus upon it with unwavering faith. So as I told you, whatever you are desiring, you will be rewarded. Keep that faith. Divine is looking at you, is preparing something good for you. So have that faith in him. Prosperity is coming for you. You will achieve all the materialistic needs that you require in your life. Stay connected to your intuitions. As I also told you earlier, intuition is going to help you this week. Let's see message from your spirit. Intuitive nudges. So this card also tells you that we all have been blessed with intuition. That's a voice of God which often helps us, guides us when we are in a problem, when we are unable to make choice for ourselves, when we are unable to take the right decision. So for that, meditate so that you can connect to your intuition with a calm mind and an open heart. I hope it is a blessed week for all of you. Thank you. Welcome to your reading Group C. So let us see how is the week going to be. So I feel that the week is going to be full of emotions, moving away from situations, relations, and environment that is not serving you anymore. New beginnings are coming for some. Good week for people dealing with finances. Some people will achieve success in their professions, a new beginning in professional life. Travel is also indicated in this week. So let us see in detail now. So the card says a personal issue reaches resolution. So here things are likely to get heated. So here the week is advising you to be a little more sensitive. Use your wisdom while you're dealing with situations. Be a little more empathetic, understanding to others and the situation. The card is also saying that the challenging situation that is currently in your life now is going to come to an end. Some of you might shift your house after this situation comes to a resolution. You might move away from your house and settle somewhere else or to another house. So here the week is suggesting you to meditate so that you can soothe your heightened emotions at this time. The week is also asking you to not to be in the energy of being egoistic, sulking or clinging or always complaining. You need to release this energy. Do not ignore your emotions in this week. The other card says meditate and contemplate. So here also a new start is coming your way. Use your feelings and your emotions to guide you. Logic is not going to help you this week. You need a guidance. You need to follow your emotions. Also face your fears. Are they stopping you? Are they blocking your way from moving ahead? Chanting Om or listening to Om will help you to focus better, bring in more calmness, peace, and find the right direction for yourself. Third card says your hard work is paying off. So here, whatever you are planning, be very sure that you are planning well and executing it well as well. So be more disciplined to reach your goals here. It's a good week to start something new, to study something new, or for teaching job. It's a good week. A new start is coming professionally here. Also, a better work cycle is going to happen here. Some of you, if you're not in a good work environment, you might find a change happening there for the betterment. Some of you might want to move away from that environment to a new job. So professionally, the week is going to help you be in a new or a better environment for yourself. Here some of you might be thinking or planning long term. It could be for 1 year or even for 5 years here. The week is about focusing on money. So here it is a good week to invest money, but be mindful in your give and take of money. Good week for people who are in this finance profession. Some of you will get rewards, will get your financial gain happening here. The week is suggesting you that be mindful, plus some of you will take some good business decisions for yourself. Let go of your fears, face them. Don't stay stuck in an energy. Release that energy and move ahead in this week. Here some of you will be coming out of your energy which has let you down. Something is ending in your life in this week. It could be a relationship, it could be a situation, it could be a health issue. So you will be coming out of it and moving towards a better tomorrow. Travel is indicated. Recovery is happening for some of you here from your back problem. Maybe you would like to take some alternate therapies for it. And for some, I can see that you will be adding some items or materials to your for your luxury, for your comfort, enjoying that abundance in your life, having some financial gain in your life. You are advised to have a healthy week this week. Take some sunlight, feed the birds, walk on the grass, take a nature walk. Some of you might want to invest in buying new clothes for yourself. Eat healthy, drink a lot of water. That will help you to calm your emotions as well. So now let's see what angels are sending a message for you. Sensitivity. You're extra sensitive to energies and emotions right now. Honor yourself and your feelings. As I told you before, maybe some of you are dealing with issues with your family, and it is very emotional and hurting for us. So this week, honor them and acknowledge that process that you're going through. The second card says, notice your reoccurring physical and emotional feelings as they signify divine guidance. Here, divine is guiding you, helping you to come out of that relationship, to come out of that situation. Maybe some of you are stuck in an toxic relationship here. So here, divine is guiding you, but he wants you to follow the changes that are happening within you and in your physical state as well. Let us see what Spirit wants to communicate. Relationships again. Relationships are just mirror images of your own life. How you feel and treat yourself, as well as how you react and respond to different situations and people around you. Be aware that every relationship is an opportunity for soul growth. So this week, as I told you, emotions are going to be of importance. Relations are going to be important. How you are dealing with them, taking care of them is going to be of importance. Take care of yourself. Thank you.